All right, everybody, it's Kika Ray, your lifestyle blogger, and I want to get some video footage of my son putting in the outdoor TV, just in case this is something that you guys are interested in doing for your RV. So keep watching, more video footage
All right,
coming
guys,
up.
we're gonna go out here. My son is gonna pre-drill some holes for the outdoor TV, and this is where the outdoor TV is going to go. So he is okay, guys. So we had to buy two parts. So we bought this thing. This is an actual swivel, or not a swivel. It's a swivel, and it comes out, so it's on a track. And then we got this. So you got to get two. This is actually going to hold the TVs. So okay, guys. So this is what my son has done. He pre-drilled some holes. He has some wood blocks here that this stand is going to go on. He's just making sure everything is lined up correctly. And so this little compartment here is where the outdoor TV is going to go.
Okay, we'll see this.
And then we had to switch out the TV. We can't get a big fancy one, unfortunately, because it won't fit, but we have one, so that's okay. It's going to work. The person grilling out here will appreciate it, and people will appreciate having this TV when they're sitting out here playing cards or whatever. So keep watching, more video footage. This thing is a slider, and it's a 225-pound weight capacity, but it's on a slide, so it can slide out, and then we can flip the TV up using that other mount that we have. So that's what it's going to look like.
Oh, that should have marked my holes. Just to make sure we go over it one time. Alright. Should I put this up there too?
Alright, guys, so this is what my son is doing. So he mounted these like boards here to each side. And then now he's just tightening everything up. And as you see, the TV is going to be on top of here on a slide. The reason why we had to get two of these is because this does not tilt, it just swivels. So we got the swivel and the pull out, but the tilt is with the other mount. Did you eat your food? Alright, so my son says he's done. We just gotta run to the hardware store again and get a few things.
It's these nuts right here. These. They're backwards right now. I gotta flip them the opposite way so I can have the nuts going like that.
But it will work.
Yeah.
Alright,
You
so I'll go
grabbed
throw
that
my
other
shoes
nut that
on.
you grabbed that other screw I gave you, right?
Yeah, I'll grab it. Let me go put. Alright, the outdoor TV